Another thing I would like you to know on your business suite is how to edit the write-up and the text, or edit your content. Recall there was a video I posted about some few minutes ago. Well, let's say for instance I want to create a reel now. I select the video. Okay, so this one I can edit specifically. Let's say for instance I want to edit the audio. Okay, I need this audio. I want to add a voiceover audio. I can add a voiceover audio. Or let's say for instance I want to add the music. Now, if you're adding a music, make sure you know the specific kind of music you want to add. Not all music are allowed on Facebook. There are some music that are copyrighted, and once you add those music, Facebook will strike you off. So the best is for you to use all the recommended musics on Facebook, which are all these ones you can see on the list. So let's, for instance, I want to add a music. So what I need to do is to go to the search music or artist. I click on it. What do I want to search for? Let's say blessings. These are musics under the schedule of blessings. Let's see. We have some specific music. Can you even play them to see? If this is not working for you, you can search. But always try your best as possible to use the music you can find here on your Facebook sample, because those are music that are not yet copyrighted. So you can use them and you can apply them. In this case, Facebook will not sanction you. Thank you.